How to log in Fidor Bank online banking accounts. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Fidor Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web browser. Open up a new tab from your PC and at the top search bar type in Fidor Bank online login. Once you do so, you will see its official website that says Fidor Bank AG login. Click onto it. Then you will see a small interface at the middle section. Here, simply type in your email address. In case you don't understand this language, go ahead and translate this page by clicking on the three-dot icon and clicking on to translate. Here, select English. Just like so, you will be able to see these languages in English. Now simply type in your email address. Once done, type in your password at the box below and click on to log in. In case you would like to view your password, you can click on this eye icon to display your password. And if you have forgotten your password for Fidor Bank, just click on to forgot password and get help resetting your account just like this. And once it's all done, if your credential matches your account, you will get logged into your Fidor Bank online banking account, and this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.